Welcome to all. Today we see how to draw cycloid of a circle. Firstly, the statement of problem. Draw a cycloid of a circle of diameter 50 mm for one revolution. Also draw a tangent and normal to the curve at a point 35 mm above the baseline. Okay, above the baseline. So this is a problem statement. Okay, so step by step we can draw here cycloid. How to draw cycloid of a circle? So all of you see firstly statement. Firstly we can draw 50 mm diameter circle, and it is divided into 12 parts. Okay, so in this way we can draw here. Firstly we draw circle of 50 mm, and after that we can draw baseline. So firstly how to draw a baseline? So perimeter, it is known as perimeter. The formula is 2 pi r. We can put the value of 2 pi into radius. Radius is 25 mm. So by using calculator we can calculate perimeter baseline. Okay, so it is near about 19.7 centimeter, means 197 mm. So in this way, by using that formula we can calculate perimeter. Okay, so step by step we can draw a cycloid. So okay, we can start here. So firstly draw 25 radius, 25 mm radius or 50 mm diameter circle. It is divided into 12 parts by using set square. Okay, from center point we can draw horizontal and vertical lines. After that take distance. We can divide it into 12 parts. So all of you know 360 divided by 12. So 360 divided by 12 means 30 is equal to 30. 30-degree angle we can take here. Point the mark points by using set square, by using protractor. Okay, so we can mark here points 30, 60, 90. After that joining those points from center of circle, by this process we can divide it circle into 12 parts. Okay, so in this way next point we can join. All of you see it. So simple method of dividing a circle into 12 parts. Okay, so in this way we are divided in 12 parts. After that first naming, first point, second, third, fourth number, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, in this we can naming here. Okay, after that we can draw a baseline. So we can draw a baseline from point below point. So this baseline is it is by using a formula 2 into pi into r. So By using that we can calculate. So draw 197 mm, 197. So perimeter we can calculate 2 pi r is equal to 2 pi into radius is 25. So putting these values in calci, so the distance is 197 mm. So by using roller scale we can draw here baseline 197 mm. Okay, so naming it, and this line is divided into 12 parts. Next process is this line is divided into 12 parts. So by using compass we can divide it, but firstly we take a inclined line from bottom side of circle. This is inclined line we can draw here firstly. This is also one method for dividing baseline. So firstly take a compass, take any distance, suppose 1 centimeter or 10 mm, and divide this inclined line into 12 parts. First, after that second, after that third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, last is 12. So we can divide this inclined line into 12 parts by using compass. So first you have to join the end point of inclined line and baseline. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, so join it. First point inclined line points and baseline points. So join it, last point. Okay, so in this way we can join here. After that same by using roller scale, parallel lines we can draw from this point, inclined line points. Okay, so so all of you see it. Firstly draw line, after that take a roller scale and draw same parallel lines from inclined line points to the baseline points, join it. Okay, so in this way we divide baseline in 12 parts. So name it 1.1. This is the next is the second 2, 3 dash, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash, 12 dash, 10 dash, 11 dash, and last is 12 dash. So in this way we divided this baseline into 12 parts. Okay, so next is suppose we can draw a cycloid of a circle. So what is a cycloid? Okay, so by center line method we can draw here. Suppose this is a circle, this circle is this circle motion is in center line. So in this way this circle is passed through the baseline. This is just imagine. Next process is you have to draw a center line. Okay, from center point of circle. So in this way you can draw center line. Okay, after that baseline point you have to extend it upward in upward direction. So first point is 12 number points, after that 12 dash point, 11 dash point, all points Okay, you have to extend upward side. Okay, in this way. So step by step, this is also one imagination view. Okay. So all 1 dash to 12 dash points we can uh, extend upward side. Okay, so first point we 1 dash 2 dash is also afforded. So in this way, all of you see carefully how to draw cycloid of circle. So in this way we can extend these lines up to center line. Okay, name it. So the center line points C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8, C9, C10, C11 and C12. So in this way we remark all the points. After that join it. Okay, and this is the top side of the circle, 6 number points. So you have to draw from 6.2 last point 1 line also. In this way you have to draw line. Okay, horizontal line. Next is you have to draw horizontal line from point 6. Same, you have to draw from 7 and 5 number points one horizontal line. After that you have to draw horizontal line from point 7, 4, 8 and 4. After that, okay, point number 2 to 10 you have to draw horizontal line. After 11 number and 1 number points, in between 1 and 11 number point you have to draw horizontal line. Okay, so in this way you have to draw lines, horizontal lines. Okay, next is so the diameter of circle is 50 mm. So you have to take radius in a compass. So this is the imagine view. Suppose you have to your circle is one complete revolution imagination. So this red point indicates how to get your cycloid curve, okay, of a circle. So it indicates. So first one in one revolution of circle we get cycloid. So firstly take by using compass you have to take radius 25 mm in a compass, and from C1 point you have to arc on first point line. Okay, first line, first and 8 number line. Take radius, and from C1 point you have to arc on first line, first point and 11 point number horizontal line. After that you have to take also radius 25 mm and arc on second line from C2. After that C3, C4. In this way, after that you have to mark on 5 number line, 5 and 6. After that 6 number. Okay, in this way you have to arc on first line, second line, third line, fourth, fifth, sixth, and 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 and 12 number lines. So this in this method, in this way you have to draw arc. Okay, next is from C10 draw arc from cut the line C10 number line. After that last point C12, from C12 to 12 points. So we can arc on first to 12 number lines. So firstly you have to naming it. First point P1, second is P2, third is a P3, P4, okay, P5, P6, P5. After that name here P6, P7, P7, P8, P9, okay, P10, P11, and last is a P12. So in this way, firstly name to the points, and after that in a free hand we can draw a curve from this point, in between this point, okay, it faint curve you have to draw first. Free hand sketch, free hand curve, okay. So in this way you have to draw cycloid firstly. After that dark it, okay, in this way join it, okay. Okay guys, all of you see how we can draw here cycloid. So in this way we complete it, we can complete here, okay. So what is the statement of our problem? After that drawing cycloid normal to the curve at point 35 mm, at point 35 mm, normal to the 35 mm. So you have to take a distance from this baseline up to upward side 35 mm, and cut it on that curve. So name it, the point is M. The distance between M to baseline is 35 mm. So take a distance of radius 25 mm and curve on a center line. So in this, the name of that point is X point. So join this X point to the baseline, okay. So baseline, so this line is X dash N, X N, okay. So draw from N point to M point one line. So this line is a normal line, okay. We can draw here normal line, and after that name it N dash, N to N dash. After that the problem says you have to draw a tangent. So we can draw here tangent from this point M point passing through M point, okay. So in this way we can draw here one tangent line. The name of that tangent line is T and T dash, okay. So in this way we can solve here. So name it all the points. So in this way we can draw a tangent, okay, T and T dash. After that naming all the parts, dimensions we have to show. Firstly diameter is 50. After that baseline 157, okay. So we can all dimensions shown in that sheet. Diameter is 50 mm and perimeter or baseline is 157 mm. So thank you guys. In this way we can solve this cycloid problem. Okay, so thank you all of you.